Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off battery protection in your phone Samsung. Okay, in Samsung all phones, battery protection option will be available. If you use battery protection, for example, at 80 percentage you can stop charging, okay, or at 95 percentage you can charge stopping, okay. So in this way you can easily do battery protection, okay. So how to set, we will see now. Go to the settings of your phone, settings of your Samsung phone, and then go to battery option there, and there will be one available option, battery protection. Okay, just to turn on this button so that battery protection will be turned on. Okay, uh, just click over battery protection and you will see three options: basic, adaptive, and maximum. As of now, in my phone it is set to maximum. Okay, that maximum means your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80 percentage. Okay, after 80 percentage your battery will not charge. Okay, it will be protective after that. Okay, then you can choose adaptive also. Okay, here if you choose adaptive, this will use maximum while you are asleep, and switch to basic before you wake up. Sleeping time will be estimated based on your phone usage patterns. Okay, automatically phone usage patterns will be calculated, and accordingly sleeping time will be calculated. At those time it will be productive. Okay, then next, basic one. Okay, this is the first option actually, and that means when your battery is charging to 100 percentage, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to the 95 percentage. Okay, and then charging will start again. So in this way you can easily enable battery protection for your Samsung phone. Suppose if you would like to turn off battery protection already, if your phone is in battery protection and you would like to turn off battery protection, what you have to do is go to settings, then battery, then turn off this button, battery protection, so that battery protection will be turned off. So in this way you can easily turn on or turn off battery protection in your Samsung phones. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.